What is up, everybody? Today we are going to be unboxing and reviewing Nickelodeon's Eastman and Laird's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, The Wanderer. Let's get into it. There we go. Put that over there. So the inside, or the little backdrop, is a dark city. On the box, you have some pictures of the action figure posing in the back. On the side, you have a face print, and then on the other side, you have a full body print. Let's take out the figure. Okay, now for the figure, let's get him out. The figure has a little back spot for swords. He's got a head joint, 360 movement, partial up and down movement. He's got the elbow joints. They're a little stiff. This one's not as stiff. He's got the bicep turners, I think. Maybe. I can't really tell because of how stiff it is. He's got the elbow joints, the wrist joints, yep. And yeah, they do kind of turn. He has the waist joint, the underwear joint, thigh joints, knee joints. They're just very stiff. And they are double-sided. And then you got the ankle joints too. Now for the weapons, we have, the lower side of the weapons, you have a stick, aka Donatello stick, but it's got a sword on the top. Can't tell if it moves or not. It might be able to. Don't want to risk it. For the second item, you have two swords. I'm going to call them Leo swords, which do fit on the back of the Ninja Turtle, just like that. And then you have, for the third item, you have a scythe, which is not like Raph's. It's more of like Michelangelo's from the anime version. And then for the fourth item, you have Michelangelo's nunchucks, which do swing on a little cord. Now for the additional body part accessories, we have a closed hand set of hands. And then we have an open hand set of hands. Now, the figure does not come with additional headpiece, which kind of sucks, but it's fine. So, let's get on into posing the figure.
Singing that old song. My baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, my baby's got a gun, I'm back to run, my baby's got a gun, it goes boom, boom.
Now, for the rating of this figure, since it's so stiff, which I kind of like, but I also don't like because it's hard to get in certain angles, it will take some playing with. I like all the weapon accessories, the sticks, or the stick, the swords, the nunchucks, and the scythe. I really like how he has pretty much all the Ninja Turtles' main weapons. I don't really like how the sword holder is stuck to the back. I wish we could take it off. And then another thing I don't like is that there's only one head sculpt. I wish we could have got one where it's like, I don't know, angry. I mean, it's kind of angry, or like a calm, something like that. But for the rating of this figure, I think I'm going to give it a solid 9.5 for being $30. It was very tightly compact into the box, which I like but also don't like because it takes so long to unpackage it. But then you know it's safe. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a solid 9.5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.